Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 4 of Slime Rancher. I hope everyone's having a good day, and let's get on with it. I hope everyone's doing a good day and having a good day. And yeah, if I don't talk that much, it's because I'm listening to a song. I might turn off the song for YouTube reasons. But yeah, as you can tell, I got back from last episode. I got back to my ranch. I basically went the same way. And all that. I did not die, thankfully. There goes the song, because I do want audio for this video. So for this video, I'm probably going to make another corral, like one of those things. I forget what they're called. I think they're called corrals. And probably another farm. Yeah, they're called corrals. I'm gonna wait to add the honey plants to them. Because for now, well, as you can tell, I need a double wall to keep these. I would call them I keep on calling them Largos, but I need an internet. Everything costs so much. I'll be back in the next episode. No, just kidding. So for today, I'm hopefully gonna keep these guys under wrap. Oh gosh. Oh no. I need that slime back. Oh no. I'll be I would say I'll be back, but I might as well take it. Take you guys on a trip. Honey slimes take, I think, right? I don't know. Time to go back where the honey slimes are. That is a Gigalargo. I am sorry, Tabby. I just killed you. Ow. I think they're called a Gigalargo. I don't really know, honestly. I'm calling them a Gigalargo because they're huge compared to a Largo logo. So like, let me bring you. So, yeah, these things are huge compared to the regular old Largo, so. Oh, a heartbeat. Don't care about that, man. Sure. Patience is key. Patience is key to once you try to get in here without a key. Ha ha ha, I did not intend that to happen. Now I am looking for a honey slime plort. So, I need to look for honey slimes, which are going to be a problem. Because I forget where they spawned. There's the lava largos. I mean, slimes and plorts, I guess. Where are you? Oh, you're a tabby. I need you, actually. I just threw you. Okay, you're a tabby slime. You're regular slimes. Regular slimes, regular slime. Not a regular slime, whatever. Hmm. Let's see here. Come out, wherever you are. I'm Joe. Not the right slime. I'm looking for a honey slime. They're really good because they use fruit. I forget what their favorite fruit is a mint mango, I believe. Hold up. Nope, wrong thing. There we go. Slime. Oh, gosh. Slimes you catch. But these guys, yeah, they eat meat. Oh, no, it's a Largo. I'm just gonna keep that there, honestly. That's kind of cute. For those that you who were confused of what I just brutally murdered, that was a tar slime. Those will hurt you, basically. The lava slimes will hurt you, but not intentionally, basically. I don't need a tabby slime. Come out, wherever you are. Whoa, you're big. Hello, Hunter Slime. You're coming on a journey with me. I don't think I can make that jump. Um, hmm. I'm gonna risk my 12 slimes and my berry. Holy shit. Holy shoot, I can! I can make the jump. I didn't think I had enough energy for it, right? Really? There's a lot of magma slimes. I'm looking for... Oh, that's cute. I'm looking for a Pacific slime to drop its plort so I can grab it and use the plort. No, no. Big boop? Yep. Okay, this is the area with the honey slimes. I'm gonna want your plorts. And that's all I needed. So, back I go. Is this in the map? Yes, it is. So I need to go this way. So, that way. Oh gosh. Dangerous, yeah. Haha, I'm out of the danger zone. Okay, so map. I need to go this way. Hello, giant honey largo. Okay. Map. I went the exact opposite way that I needed to go. Okay. Time to go through a tree. Okay. Well, this was an adventure. Well, an adventure. Oh gosh, I don't really need you right now, Star Slime. Well, in fact, I don't need you at all, Tar Slime. So, you can go away, if you will. Oh. I'm hoping to get this, and I guess I'll keep the cube berry, honestly. Did I have enough energy? Yes, I did. Okay. Heck, more cube berries. Ugh. For those who don't know, once you give him enough food, he'll explode, and basically he's sitting on a portal. So he's basically a fast way home. I'm going to run out of here because I just heard